What's going on, guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Deep Exploration Code. In this video, I will show you how to use measure in Blender. After opening Blender, I click on A to select all. Then I click on Delete to remove them. After that, I click on Shift plus A to get a cube. And then I give a value of 5 mm. Now I click on Measure. Next, I click with the left mouse button and without releasing, I go to the point where I want to calculate the distance. We notice that the value obtained is not right because we know that we have a cube of 5 mm. When we make a rotation of the cube, we see where is the problem. To solve this problem, we have to go to Edit mode, then I click on Measure. And I recalculate the distance. We notice that we always get the same problem. This is due to the fact that it doesn't select correctly the 2 points. To solve this problem, just click on Snap. You can see that a little circle is snapping to a vertex. And when we click with the left mouse button and without releasing, I go to the second point where I want to calculate the distance. We can see that the small circle also snaps to this vertex and thus give us a correct value of the measurement. We can also check it with another edge. We notice that it always gives us a correct result. However, we have to be careful when measuring. Like here, because according to the view, we think we take 2 vertices, but when we turn the cube a little, it calculates in fact 2 other vertices. Now, if we want to calculate an angle, just select 2 extremities, then at the center of the line, I move it to the point where I want to calculate the angle. We will do the same thing for another angle. Here is how to calculate distances and angles. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.